Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to Excel product key. First, understand that an Excel product key is a 25-character code essential for activating your software. This key ensures you can unlock all features and confirm your copy is legitimate. We'll cover where to find this important key using various methods, and then guide you through the simple process of using it to activate your Excel program effectively. Finding your product key can be straightforward. If you purchased Excel digitally, check your email for a confirmation that includes the key. For physical copies, look for a sticker on the software packaging or even on your computer itself. If Excel is already installed, a reliable product key finder tool can often retrieve it for you. Once you have your 25-character product key, activating Excel is simple. Open the Excel application, and you'll typically be prompted for activation. Carefully enter your key into the designated fields. After successful entry, confirm the activation. This step ensures you gain full access to all of Excel's powerful features without any limitations. If you encounter issues, like a lost or invalid key, contacting Microsoft support is your best option for assistance. Always keep a secure, backed-up record of your product key to avoid future problems. This ensures you can reactivate Excel if needed. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying organized and prepared makes managing your software much easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.